Let's learn how to join multiple things and create one. For example, I have a column first name and I have another column last name. I want to join them and create full name. And we all know that full name has a space in between. So first name join with space and join them with last name. So whenever you want to join multiple things and create one, use a function concatenate. Remember, if you have a version before Excel 2016, then you can use only concatenate. But if you are having 2016 onwards, you have one more function concat. For concat, I will create another video, but right now I am talking about concatenate. So, concatenate function immediately followed by the opening bracket. Then text 1. I want to join multiple things. So, text 1 is first name. Then, as per the rule, after giving one argument for the function, you have to put comma. So, I am writing comma. Then, text 2 is last name? No. Text 2 is space because I want space between first name and last name. Space is also a value. So you cannot give space like this. If you want to have space as a value in the data, you have to type space between double quotes. So it's double quote, space and double quote. So in this example, space is a value. So I am giving space between double quote. Suppose you want to have dot in between. So instead of space, you will put dot. So remember, whatever you want in between, you would just type. So in this example, I want space. So I am giving space between double quotes. Then comma, then text 3. So text 3 is last name. You can continue with more text if you need. Put a comma and continue with your values which you want to join. You have a limit of 255 text strings you can join. Not only text, it can be anything. It can be any number also. It can be any serial number also. It can be any date also. Right? But in this example, I don't need more than 3. So I am removing this comma and I am closing it. Press enter. See the result. Now you can copy this for all the cells. Concatenate. Next example. I have a column first name and I want to display first name into capital letters. Now in Excel when we type data, it happens that we type in any case. Sometimes people write in combination of the case, somewhere capital, somewhere small. But I want all capital. So I want to convert all the letters into capital. So the name of the function is upper. Upper is a function which will convert all the letters into capital letters. So start with equal symbol and followed by the name of the function upper, then open bracket and then the cell which you want to convert. Simple. Close the bracket, press enter. All the letters are in uppercase. Double click to copy for all. So my job is done. Now we will see how to convert the letters into small letters, means lower case. So the name of the function is lower. Start with equal symbol followed by the name of the function lower, open bracket and then the cell which you want to convert and close bracket. So it is exactly similar to your upper, only the function name is different. The writing method is same. All the letters are small. See, all the names are now in small letters. Lower function. Let's see how to convert into proper case. Proper case means first letter must be capital and all the other letters are small. But if the cell has more than one word, then first letter of each word must be capital. Like proper noun, so when you write someone's name or any country's name or any subject name which has more than one word, then first letter of each word we always write in capital. So proper nouns are always written in proper case. That's why the name of the function is proper. So I'm writing proper function. I'm using department example. So here I have human resources, two words in the name of department, and rest others are having one word only. So equals to, immediately followed by proper function, followed by opening bracket and then the cell. Close bracket, press enter. See, the first letter of sales is capital. When I copy this formula to all the cells, you will see in human resource H is capital and R is capital. So this is what proper function does, right? Let's see this example where we will combine two functions and create one answer. For example, I have first name, I have last name, and I want to create full name. We have seen concatenate we can use to join and create full name. But here the problem is the first name are written in small letters means lowercase, and last names are also written in small letters means lowercase. So when I join and create one, the result will be in small letters. So I want to write formula in such a way that my result should come in proper case. So I will use concatenate and proper function together. Let's see how. Start with equal, concatenate. So I always say that whenever you have something complex, do it one by one and then see the result. So I have two things, concatenate and proper. First I am writing concatenate. So concatenate B2, comma, double quote, space, double quote, comma, C2. This will give me joint name means full name. Now this outcome, this output of my concatenate function should be converted into proper case. So I will write proper outside concatenate. So put your cursor before C and after equal, then type proper, then open bracket. Then this whole concatenate function will be my input for proper and closing bracket for proper. So proper function will convert the output of concatenate into proper case. Press enter, see the result. Copy for all. So this way you can combine two, three functions and get your result. In this video, we have learned four functions. Number one, concatenate, which you can use to join multiple strings and create one, and the limit is 255 maximum. Second, upper, this converts all the letters into capital letters. Third, lower, lower function converts all the letters into small letters, and proper converts first letter of each word in the cell into capital. Share the video and spread the knowledge.